Hello, welcome to Cooking with Darius. Today's episode, we're going to be making scrambled eggs. And I'm so excited to be doing this. So what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to crack open these eggs and I'm going to be putting them, I have 10 eggs specifically. I'm going to put them into 2 bowls and yeah, and we're going to be cooking up the eggs. I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and start with the first step. Let me go ahead and crack open some of these eggs. Ready? So there's 2 ways to do it. I can do it one hand or I can do it 2 hand. But I'm gonna start with 2 hand. Crack it a little bit. Put your hand here on both sides of the egg. Boom. There we go. That's 1 egg right there. Easy squeezy, lemon peasy. And I'm going to do that with all 10 of them. So that's 2. And 3. 4. And last but not least, 5. I put 5 in each bowl because my bowls are actually pretty small, so I don't want to overwhelm them, especially when it comes time to mix it up. I have a bowl here full of chopped broccoli and chopped onions, and I've started with chopping my garlic portions and peeling off the edges of the garlic because we don't want that inside of our cooking. We don't want that at all. We gotta peel it. We gotta peel it. Boom, peeled. Easy squeezy, lemon peasy. Now let's go ahead and cut that piece off there. And then I'm gonna continue peeling. Now the garlic, let me tell you something about garlic. I really like garlic because the flavoring is just exceptional. You know, when you have the fresh garlic, you know, sometimes you can buy the garlic already pre-cut, but if you want the fresh garlic, you gotta buy the one where you gotta peel it yourself. And I'm gonna do one more piece here, and that'll pretty much be a full clove of or a full portion of garlic. All right, boom. That's about 8 or 9 pieces of garlic there. Try one more. Cut off one more portion here. So yeah, I actually used to work in the high-end kitchens. One of the high-end kitchens that I worked at is Maggiano's, a little Italy restaurant. A very famous, amazing Italian restaurant, and I worked at the one in the Bay Area. That place was amazing, had amazing food. It's in Santana Row. I remember working there and I had so much fun. I learned so much. We had to cook all the food from scratch. I mean, I'm telling you, when it's a lot more difficult process when you have to cook things from scratch. but the flavors that you get is amazing. I'll never forget when we had to when I had to make dressings, like salad dressings, like the Italian dressings and all the dressings that you can get. I mean, oh, it's amazing. All right, so now I'm going to chop the garlic into little pieces here. All right. Fairly easy. That's it. Boom. That's one portion. Let's go ahead and put that aside there, and I'm going to grab another piece. Boom. I like to chop it into good sized portions so I can get all the flavor out of the garlic. All right. And into those eggs. Cut off another portion here. Fairly easy. Boom. Move that aside. And I'm going to do that with all 8 portions. All right. Now, all my garlic is chopped up. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to prepare to start cooking. This is the best part. I'm so excited. Put these aside right here. And I'm going to grab my cooking utensils. Alright, so this is my hot cooking plate here. Let's plug that one in. And I'm going to set the temperature to high here. It's important. Set it on high, baby. Set it on high. And I'm going to grab my pan. This is my frying pan. And I'm going to be getting a couple items here. I'm going to grab some lemon pepper. Lemon pepper is really good. And I'm going to be grabbing some vegetable oil. Vegetable oil is really good. I'm using the Casoliva. And this one is Cajun Injector. And last but not least is going to be some garlic salt by McCormick. The McCormick garlic salt. Alright, so those are my seasonings. And my pot is on. Let me go ahead and just, I'm going to pour some of this oil here inside of my pan. I'm not going to go too crazy with that. Because you don't want it too greasy. So, as you can see, I've used a portion here. It's not really hot yet, but it's getting there. So I'm going to mix it around, make sure the oil is well all over the pan, you know. Try and get that all mixed in. Yep. Alright, so as you can see, it's well mixed in there. Now I'm going to put that inside on there. Alright, so now we have all of our items ready here. We have the eggs ready for cooking. We have the garlic here. We have onions, and we have broccoli. So, my pan is already pretty much warm and almost ready for cooking. I'm excited about that. Let's wait for that to heat up a little bit more. So I'm gonna grab my handy dandy spatula. And yeah, so now that I think my pot is pretty much ready to go ahead and put the garlic in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take like a little handful of garlic, because I'm just gonna cook a portion first and then I'll finish later. So I'm gonna put some of this garlic here into my pan. You can already hear it start to sizzle. Yes, that's it. Sizzling up. A little bit at a time. Alright. Oh my gosh, that fresh garlic aroma. It's so good. So I like to start off with cooking the garlic, because when you start with the garlic, you can get all the flavoring out of it. Oh yeah. I can smell that aroma. Oh man, it's so good. Alright. And then after, you know, I'm gonna leave it in here for maybe about like 2, maybe 3 minutes to sizzle, just to saute the garlic. And then next I'm going to take some of these. I'm not going to take the full portion because I like to get all the vegetables. I want to get all the flavors out of them, you know. So I'm going to put some of the onions and some of the broccoli in there. I'm not going to go too crazy. I'm just going to cook a portion at a time because it's a lot of garlic and yeah, and onions and everything. All right, perfect. I'm going to get all these flavors in here. I like to break it up all the way down. Boom. That should be enough there. Alright. Now I'm going to just let these things sizzle in there. As you can hear, it's already starting to cook. Yep. Mix it around. You know, make sure that that flavor gets I want to get all the flavoring out of there if possible. See, I don't know how, some people like their food cooked a little bit different. I guess it just depends on the person. Me personally, I like to, I like my vegetables to be a little bit raw. But yeah, I'm going to start putting some seasoning on here. So first I'm going to start with the lemon pepper, the Cajun injector lemon pepper. Put a little bit of that in there. Alright, just to add some extra flavoring. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the McCormick garlic salt. Put some of that in there for the flavoring. Alright. Boom. I'm just going to mix this up in there. Oh yeah. Oh man, that aroma is amazing. Alright, so before I put my eggs in, because my eggs haven't been mixed yet, I'm going to take a fork and I'm going to poke into the yolk of each egg. Poke into the yolk. And then I'm going to take and I'm going to mix it. I like to mix it until it turns, pretty much all turns yellow. Mix. So it's all pretty much mixed in there now. Yep. Take a little fork and literally all you're doing is just you're making circular motions inside of the eggs. Mix. There you go. All mixed in, yellow. You go ahead and just one more little mix in there. And oh man, look at that. Look at that. Oh, woo, that was awesome. Alright, now I'm gonna put my eggs inside. Oh yeah. There it is. That's him, Coach. That's him. See, as you can see, my eggs are already, they're instantly starting to cook. You know, I do the eggs last because I like my vegetables to be cooked to a specific temperature. Or I like them to be cooked a specific way. I don't want them to be too raw. I don't want them to be too cooked. But I like it just right. So, it's all mixed in there. Eggs are cooking. I'm gonna add some more of the Cajun injector quick shake lemon pepper seasoning. Just a little bit. I'm not gonna go too crazy. And I'm gonna add a little bit more of the McCormick salt, garlic salt. All right. And that's all the seasoning I need for this one. There it is. Cooking it in. Almost done. Almost done. Texture is perfect. have a nice, easily cooked, you know, still a little bit runny, but we're almost pretty much there. This is scrambled eggs with garlic, onion, and broccoli. And I use the seasoning salt, the lemon pepper seasoning salt, and the garlic salt just to get in the flavors. Everything is honk-a-dory, baby. Honk-a-dory. Alright, I think we're good to go. Yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Everything's been all mixed in, good, and ready. See, I don't like to cook my eggs too much. I like to cook them just enough. Alright. So, I'm going to take a plate here. And I'm going to show you guys. That boom. Moonlight's mix in. And take it, plate it. And yeah, that's it. Nice and easy, lemon squeezy. There you have it, folks. Huzzah! Scrambled eggs with my good old broccoli. Amazing. Onion. Everything is just perfect. I mean, look at that texture. It's amazing. Hope you guys liked this video. Thanks for watching. This has been scrambled eggs with garlic and broccoli. Yeah. This is Cooking with Darius. Catch you guys in the next episode. Hope you guys enjoyed this feed. If you guys liked it, please don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Thanks. See you guys later. Have a great day.